For another news, Nepal's economy is showing its strongest start in 3 years, with growth in the mid-July to mid-October quarter surpassing recent trends. Nepal's economy has posted its highest quarterly growth in 3 years, with gross domestic product GDP rising by 3.02% in the first quarter of 2025-26. Now that's higher than the 2.9% growth recorded in the same period of the past 2 years. Yet, when compared with the last quarter of 2025-26, which hit an all-time high of 4.8%, this year's growth remains modest overall. Seasonally adjusted data also show that total economic activity contracted by 1.68% compared to the previous quarter, mainly due to slowdowns in 13 out of 18 industrial sectors. But there were bright spots. Electricity and gas activity surged nearly 15%. The highest among sectors. Financial and insurance services grew about 7%, and professional and technical services rose about 5.5%. Meanwhile, the agriculture sector, Nepal's largest contributor, expanded by about 1.36%. The wholesale and retail trade sector, the second largest in the economy, also posted healthy gains, with growth near 3.9%, helped by stronger domestic production and imports. And to give us more details on this, our correspondent Saloni Murarka has sent us this report from Kathmandu.
Nepal's economic growth remains modest so far. The National Statistics Office says the economy grew 3.02% in the first quarter of the fiscal year 25-26, slightly better than the past 2 years. But quarter-on-quarter data tells a different story. The economy contracted in compared to the previous quarter, as 13 of the 18 sectors slipped into negative growth. A handful of sectors have kept the numbers afloat. Power, finance and services drove the gains, while agriculture grew marginally despite lower paddy output. And the World Bank, in its 2025 outlook, has warned of slowdown ahead due to political uncertainty following the September's protest. Nepal's economy is growing, but without strong momentum. I'm Saloni Murarka reporting for WION from Kathmandu, Nepal.